That is it. Sometimes you just need to get out of the house. Today we're heading to one of Jamaica's hidden gems to whip up a quick pot of satay soup by the sea. Our destination today is Amber Rock Park in Little Bay, Westmoreland.
Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
Nice.
In 200 meters, continue straight. Movement of the people.
Alright.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
No, alright, that's what I thought. That's it. First things first, we have to get our fire started and put our pot of water on. We're making a proper pot of seafood soup, so I got a couple of lobsters, some conch and fresh shrimp. It's now spiny lobster open season, so I had to get a couple. These are currently going for between 1,000 and 1,200 Jamaican dollars per pound. Lobster and shrimp cook super quick, so I'm not paying them much mind just yet. The conch though is very different. Conch cooks quickly, but if you go past that point, it gets tough. Cook it even longer and it softens up again. I'm going to clean up the conch by getting rid of the harder bits and tenderize it with a mallet. Since I don't want to stress about the timing later, I'm going to add it now. By the time the soup is done, it will be nice and tender. Next up, some bay leaves, diced onion, garlic and pimento. That's the start of our flavor foundation. Even though I just seasoned the wind, a little salt early on helps everything tie together so you get full flavor by the end. Pumpkin is essential in any Jamaican style soup. It adds color and body and makes any soup taste richer and fuller. I started adding the pumpkin seeds to my soup recently. They're both delicious and nutritious. I don't like the flavor and texture of that membrane, so I'm just tossing it. I want the pumpkin to break down, so I'm dicing them and adding them to the pot now. That conch is far from ready, so now is a great time to prepare other soup veggies. that smells good.
That look good.
I'm adding the corn now because once the conch is cooked, everything else moves really fast. A seafood soup is a really quick pot. Looks like someone smelled the pot and decided to join us. I don't have to know this dog to know that his name is Blackie. I'm adding a little bit of Cajun seasoning for a quick flavor boost. I'm trying not to season the breeze with this one. The conch is finally ready, but this needs a little more water. You can't have Jamaican soup without spinners, so I'm going to make some. The last time I made soup without dumplings, a lot of you were rightfully very upset, so I had to fix that this time.
Spinners. Back for your Ben. Are you back for your Ben?
It's time for the rest of the veg we prepped earlier. I've got diced yellow yam and diced carrots. It comes together nice. From here, things go fast, so let's get our lobster ready. Sometimes they taste a bit like algae or seagrass, which usually comes from what they've been eating. Diet plays a big role in how our food tastes. Let me know in the comments if you're a fan of spiny lobster. I'm cutting these in half and deveining them. A squeeze of lime helps cut through the stronger gamier flavors these lobsters sometimes have. Eager to go in a pot.
The man jumping at the pot.
These won't take long to cook, so we're almost there. I had some blue land crab leftovers in my freezer, so these are going in as well. This soup is a great way to use them up.
Pot full.
Good Lord. Seafood boil, no bother soup. You can't have a Jamaican style soup without Grace cock soup mix. It's a delicious base, salty and packed with flavor. There are other brands and flavors, but nothing really beats the classic cock soup. One pack is enough to level this up. This is well on its way. That's a beautiful view. Amber Rock Park is even more stunning when it's high tide and the sea is a little rough. Ambarak Park and the surrounding Little Bay aren't as famous or touristy. That's not a bad thing though. It's a really chill and relaxing spot off the beaten path. I really love that white water on rough days and the huge sprays from the crashing waves. This soup is shaping up really nice. Almost done. I just need to finish it with some fresh seasonings.
Scotching. Of course, scotching.
In addition to that scotch bonnet, I'm adding a Trinidad pimento pepper. These have an impressive flavor.
I'm gonna get something. This need one final thing. Soon come back. First the card time. Nice.
Dry time is a scam. It's much better to catch your fresh time yourself. That's pretty much ready, so let's give it a taste.
Not a hit.
Almost forgot the okra. Jamaicans love pairing seafood with okra and it's for good reason. It's delicious. That is it. The smell of this is incredible. All of that flavor has perfectly melded together. Can't wait to dig in.
It's a one sexy bowl.
Shell out.
All I may drink is soup. Nice.
Just like that. One pot, one burner, and belly full. The only thing left now is to clean up and enjoy the ocean. Oh look, Blackie is back. And we can't leave out Blackie. Have to go get him some fresh water though. Hey, I'm Nick and this has been an incredible day. Remember to drop your thoughts in the comments and like the video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by, bless up, and I'll catch you in the next one.